Assalamu alaikum dear students. I welcome you all today. Today we are going to do subject science and it's a very interesting topic, that is plants. As we all know that living things all mostly depend on the plants for their food, directly or indirectly. Okay, so it is plants which give us food and also oxygen. So plants are mainly divided into 5 types. How many types? 5 types. First thing is the herbs. Herbs are small plants with soft stem. Example, mint or coriander. You all must have seen that your mother will be cleaning the coriander. Yes, it is very easy for your mother to break the stem of the coriander. Okay, and the next one is the shrubs. Shrubs are woody plants which are smaller than trees. Okay, example is example rose plant. Okay, next we have trees. Now trees are big plants. Big plants are called trees. They have thick woody stem. You all must have seen near your houses or in parks, there are very big trees. For example, banyan tree, peepal tree, mango tree. Okay, next is the creepers. Now creepers have weak stem and grow along the ground. For example, watermelon. Okay, watermelon is the example of creepers. Then we have climbers. Climbers also have weak stem. They climb up the stems of other trees or walls for their support. Okay. Example, watermelon plant. Or even you can give the plant called as money plant, which most of the people keep in their houses. So, plants are divided into 5 types depending upon the size and their stem. Okay, so they are herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers and climbers. So next we will come to parts of a plant. Now mostly the plant is divided into 2 parts. The plant is divided into how many parts? 2 parts. The underground part, which we cannot see from our eyes, that is from outside, is known as the root. Okay, so root comes under the ground, and the upper part which we can see, that is the shoot. Okay, so the part of the plant which grows under the ground is known as the root, and the part of the plant which grows above the ground is known as the shoot. Did you all get me? Okay, now we will go to the roots. Roots, the root is the part of a plant that mainly grows below the ground. Roots are of 2 types. Roots are of how many types? 2 types. Fibrous root and taproot. Fibrous root and taproot. Okay. Now we will first learn about the taproot. What is a taproot? Now the taproot is made up of thick main root from which small roots grow. A taproot grows from the base of a stem. Okay, from the base of a stem to deep inside the soil. So for example, mango, the root of the mango tree or a bean plant. Here the root is, it has a main root, and from there all the other roots, branches come out. Next is coming to the fibrous root. Now fibrous root looks like a bush. Okay, this fibrous root does not have a main root. From the stem, many branches of the root arises. Okay, like hair-like structures. They look like hair, thin hair. Plants such as onion, grass, wheat and rice have fibrous roots. So you have learned today that Roots are of two types, fibrous root and taproot. Taproot has got one main root and from there the other roots grow. And fibrous roots are roots which are hair-like, and from the stem there are many hair-like structures which are coming out. Example for fibrous root is grass. Example for taproot, mango. Now we will learn what are the functions of a root. The main function of the root is, first one, they fix the plant to the soil. Now if this fixing is not done, then the plant cannot stand erect, or it cannot stand, it will fall. Okay, so they fix the plant to the soil. Second point is, the roots absorb water and minerals from the soil, and the roots only are the one which carry the nutrients to the stem. Is it clear? Okay. Then the third point is, the root stores the food. Now the plant, as you all know, that plant stores food in many parts. Okay. Among them, the plant stores food in roots as well. Okay. For example, we have carrot, then we have turnip, beetroot and radish. All these are roots, but we eat these roots because the plant stores the food in them. Is it clear? Now look at this plant. Yes, I will tell you which is the root system and the shoot system. Now below this, the plant, below, under this, the plant goes, this part of the plant is under the soil. So this is the root system, and this part of the plant is above the